Number 4. Dr. Infrared Heater DR238, our find for best electric wall-mounted patio heater. If you want clean instant heat without the hassle of gas or flames, the Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 is a smart wall mount upgrade. You get indoor-outdoor versatility with an IP55 rating, so it's at home on a patio, deck, or in a garage just as easily as a workshop or sunroom. You control comfort precisely. Choose from 3 power levels, 900 watt, 1200 watt, or 1500 watt, to match a chilly morning or a cold night and enjoy odorless infrared warmth that targets people and surfaces directly. A high-efficiency mirror aluminum reflector focuses the carbon infrared lamp's output where you need it, making the heat feel immediate and consistent. Installation is straightforward. Wall and ceiling mounting brackets are included, and the lightweight 8-pound cabinet makes positioning easier than bulky gas units. Once mounted, operation is essentially set and forget. Plug in, power on, and adjust heat from across the room with the remote. Day-to-day, it's practical and low maintenance. There's no tank to swap, no pilot to relight, and no emissions. Just quiet, radiant warmth for home patios, open-air dining, or indoor utility spaces. If you're after the best electric wall-mounted patio heater, simple to install, easy to control, and efficient in all seasons, the DR238 delivers reliable, plug-and-go comfort wherever you need it. Still searching for the perfect patio heater? Don't give up just yet. We've got